the best way to invest your money in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tailored Money Matters. Are you tired of letting your money just sit in a savings account earning little to no interest? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the best ways to invest your money in 2024. Whether you're a total beginner or someone with experience looking for new strategies, this video is packed with tips to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Stick around because I'll also share a low-risk, high-reward investment strategy you might not have considered before. Let's get started. Segment 1. Why investing is essential. Visuals. Graphs showing inflation rates, money losing value over time. First, let's talk about why you should invest. Leaving your money in a regular savings account is no longer enough. With inflation eating away at your purchasing power, averaging around 3 to 4% per year, your cash is losing value every day. Investing allows your money to grow and work for you. Think of it as planting a tree. You won't see results overnight, but in a few years, it can bear fruit that will sustain you for a lifetime. Segment 2. Start with a solid foundation. Visuals. Budgeting apps, emergency fund jar. Before jumping into investments, let's talk about laying a foundation. Ask yourself, 1. Do you have an emergency fund? Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. 2. Are you carrying high-interest debt? Pay that off first. It's costing you more than most investments will earn. Once these are sorted, you're ready to invest confidently. Segment 3. Investment Option 1. Stocks and ETFs. Visuals. Stock market apps like Robinhood, graphs of Tesla, and Apple stock growth. Let's start with stocks and ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Stocks are individual shares of companies. If the company grows, so does your investment. Think big names like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. ETFs, on the other hand, are like a basket of stocks. They're perfect for beginners because they spread out the risk. For example, the S&P 500 ETF tracks the top 500 companies in the US, giving you instant diversification. Pro tip: use apps like Robinhood, eToro, or Fidelity to get started with as little as $50. And remember, focus on long-term growth, not short-term gains. Segment 4. Investment Option 2. Real estate. Visuals. Homes for sale, Airbnb listings, real estate investment platforms. Next up is real estate investing. Owning property has been a time-tested way to build wealth. There are 2 main ways to get started. 1. Buy and rent. Purchase a property and rent it out for monthly income. 2. Airbnb hosting. Turn a spare room or a vacation home into a short-term rental. But if buying property feels out of reach, try fractional real estate platforms like Fundrise or Roofstock. These allow you to invest in real estate without needing tens of thousands of dollars upfront. Segment 5. Investment Option 3. Mutual funds and index funds. Visuals. Retirement account charts, brokers reviewing portfolios. For those looking for a set-it-and-forget-it option, mutual funds and index funds are your best bet. A mutual fund pools money from multiple investors and is managed by professionals. An index fund, like Vanguard's S&P 500, tracks a specific market index and usually has lower fees. These options are perfect for retirement accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s. Over time, they offer steady growth with minimal effort. Segment 6. Investment Option 4. Cryptocurrency. Visuals. Bitcoin price charts. People using crypto wallets. Cryptocurrency is the new kid on the block, and while it's high risk, it can also be high reward. Popular options include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Pro tip: don't put more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio into crypto, and always use secure platforms like Coinbase or Binance. Cryptocurrency isn't for everyone, but it's worth exploring as part of a diversified portfolio. Segment 7. Diversification and risk management. Visuals. Pie charts of diversified portfolios, comparing high and low-risk investments. Now, let's talk about the golden rule of investing: diversification. Never put all your eggs in one basket. A balanced portfolio might include 50% stocks, 30% real estate, 10% bonds, and 10% alternative investments like crypto. This mix helps you maximize returns while minimizing risk. Remember, your goal isn't just to make money, it's to keep it. Outro. And there you have it, the best ways to invest your money in 2024. Remember, the key to successful investing is starting early, staying consistent, and thinking long-term. Which investment strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tailored Money Matters, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more tips on growing your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.